Metta Bhavana is a form of meditation designed to intentionally cultivate compassion for oneself and for others. The term originates from the Pali language, where metta translates to loving kindness and bhavana means to develop or cultivate. This guide explains the purpose of the practice, its scientifically backed benefits, side effects, and the exact steps for its implementation. It is a simple, intentional method for training one's capacity for empathy and goodwill. The purpose of this practice is to counteract common internal states such as stress, anxiety, and self-criticism. Loving-kindness meditation offers a direct method for addressing these negative patterns. The benefits are not merely anecdotal, they are supported by research. Studies indicate that a regular practice can lead to a measurable decrease in self-criticism and stress, while simultaneously boosting positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and hope. A primary effect is the softening of one's inner dialogue as the practitioner learns to wish themselves well. The practice can also create a positive ripple effect in one's relationships. By consciously extending feelings of goodwill, practitioners can strengthen their connection to others and may find it easier to practice forgiveness. The goal is not a momentary feeling of wellness, but a fundamental rewiring of one's emotional baseline. The practice is structured in stages that gradually widen the circle of compassion. To begin, find a comfortable place where you can sit, stand, or lay down. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself and calm the mind. The practice starts with directing loving kindness toward yourself. Silently repeat supporting phrases that are personally meaningful to you. The traditional phrases include, "May I be free from anger. May I be free from ill will. May I be free from jealousy. May I be free from mental suffering. May I live in peace. May I live happily." Repeat them slowly, allowing yourself to connect with the genuine intention behind the words. In the next stage, you extend these wishes to the people living in your house. Repeat the same messages, addressing them to those you live with. May everybody in this house be free from anger. May everybody in this house be free from ill will, and so on. From there, you continue to widen the circle. Address these phrases to the people in your city. Then expand further to include all the people of your country. Finally, you extend these feelings of loving kindness to the whole world, and then all beings in the universe, wishing for every being everywhere to be happy and free from suffering. We will now engage in a brief 60-second practice focused on the first stage. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Now bring your awareness to the area around your heart. Gently and silently offer these phrases to yourself. May I be free from anger. May I be free from ill will. May I be free from jealousy. May I be free from mental suffering. May I live in peace. May I live happily. For a few more moments, allow that feeling of goodwill to settle within you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. I have practiced this technique for 15 days, and these are my personal recommendations for you. You should mean every phrase you say and focus on the feeling that arises after you've mentioned it. While conducting the meditation, play a meditation soundtrack to help you remain engaged in the practice. For profound impact, practice for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Try to repeat phrases more than once. Continue until you truly mean and feel each sentence. You can also visualize positive events in your mind while meditating. For example, imagine people living in peace and happiness. These small adjustments can significantly deepen your connection to the practice and amplify its effects. Even though this meditation is profoundly positive, it may bring up certain emotional resistances or sensitivities. First is resistance to love and kindness. Sometimes while repeating these phrases, your mind may whisper thoughts like, "You don't deserve it." With consistent practice, however, such resistance softens and fades. Simply observe these thoughts without reacting. Second is over-identification with others. As empathy grows, tragic events in the world may affect you more deeply. It is a sign of compassion, but it's also important to maintain emotional balance. Now you may ask, how can I minimize these effects? I have two solutions for you. Number one is to start small. Practice for 5 to 8 minutes in the beginning. Number two is avoid reading or watching tragic news while adjusting to this new sensitivity. Over time, your emotional strength will expand without feeling overwhelmed. This is the essence of the practice. With the regular application, even for just a few minutes, you are actively wiring your brain for more kindness. It is a simple exercise with a profound ability to shift how you relate to yourself and to the world. If this guide has been useful, consider practicing for 1 week to observe any effects. For a longer, fully guided meditation that will take you through all the stages, you can find a link in the description. I've made a separate video explaining how we can actually practice love and kindness meditation. If you enjoyed the content of this video and want to be informed about future ones, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. As always, I wish you joy and